Welcome back to English Step by Step.
Today we continue our story. But if you really want to learn English, go to this website where you will find all episodes of this video series, plus PDFs with transcripts and exercises for each episode. That way you can practice English properly. You can listen, read, and react. Slowly, the episodes will become more and more difficult. Follow each episode so that you can get better and better. Are you ready? Let's continue.
Marie is talking to John. She is happy, but she forgets something important.
Oh no, I forgot to close my door.
Marie has a dog named Max. He sees the open door. Max is big and playful. He is a golden retriever puppy.
Max? No, stay, Max.
But Max runs out. He runs fast. He loves to run. He runs through a muddy puddle. Water and mud splash in all directions. Max runs into John's house. John's house is full of boxes. Max is excited. He jumps. He plays.
Max, come here.
Max does not listen. He runs around. His paws are dirty. He leaves muddy paw prints on the floor. Suddenly, Max stops. He goes to a corner. Oh no. Max pees on the floor.
I am so sorry, John.
John holds a special box. The box is labeled Grandma's Cups. It is important to John.
Be careful, John.
Max sees the box. He is curious. He jumps at John. The box falls. It opens. Glasses and cups fall out. They break. John looks at the broken glasses. His clothes are dirty. Marie is very sorry.
I am very sorry, John. I can help clean.
John is shocked. He is silent. What will happen next? How will John react? Listen to our next episode to find out. Thank you for listening to English Step by Step. Practice your English every day. Go to herohero.co/English Club and get a PDF with exercises and a transcript for this episode. See you in the next one.